Hello everyone, what's fitness enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the Jack Factory Growth Surge Post-Workout Muscle Builder with Creatine. If you're serious about muscle recovery and gains, you're going to want to stick around for this one. First, let's talk about what this product is all about. Growth Surge is a post-workout supplement that combines creatine monohydrate, betaine anhydrous, and L-carnitine L-tartrate to fuel muscle recovery, enhance strength, and optimize muscle growth after intense workouts. One thing I really appreciate is how easily this mixes. No clumps, no gritty texture, just smooth and ready to drink in seconds. And the taste? Jack Factory Growth Surge Post-Workout Muscle Builder with Creatine is refreshing and definitely something I don't mind sipping after a tough workout. Now, let's talk about performance. After a few weeks of using Growth Surge, I noticed faster recovery times and improved strength during my lifts. The creatine really helps replenish energy stores, while the L-carnitine supports recovery and reduces muscle soreness. It's like giving your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild and grow stronger. So, here are my takeaways after using Growth Surge. Scientifically backed ingredients like creatine and betaine. Easy to mix and tastes great. Noticeable improvements in recovery and muscle growth. Overall, it's a solid addition to your post-workout routine if you're looking for a post-workout supplement to take your recovery and muscle building to the next level. Jack Factory Growth Surge might just be what you need. Have you tried it before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to give it a shot, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and fitness tips. See you in the next video. Stay strong and keep lifting. Thanks for watching, kids. So hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things fitness. Until next time, train hard and recover smarter.